In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cover page on Google Docs. Whether you're creating a professional report, a school project, or just want to make your document look more polished, knowing how to create an effective cover page can make all the difference. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. It's time to sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. This step is crucial because you'll need access to Google Docs, which is a part of Google's suite of online productivity tools. Enter your email address, click Next, and follow up by entering your password. Hit sign in and you'll have access to Google's range of applications. Now that you're signed in, look for the small grid icon on the upper right side of the screen. This is your gateway to all Google apps. Click on it and select Google Docs from the list. Alternatively, you can go directly to docs.google.com. Once you're there, you should see an option to start a new document. Click on that and you're ready to start setting up your cover page. Before we add any content, let's adjust the page settings to suit our needs. Click on File in the top menu, then Page Setup. Here, you can adjust the margins. A standard margin size is typically 1 inch on all sides, but feel free to adjust this based on your specific requirements. While you're in the Page Setup menu, you can also choose a background color for your page. It's optional, but a light shade can add a nice touch. With the page set up, it's time to add your title. Press the Enter key a few times to bring your cursor further down the page's center. This helps in aesthetically centering your text. Next, go to Format in the menu, click on Align and Indent, and then select Center. Now type your main title. Make it stand out by using a larger font size, somewhere between 24 to 36 points. Bold it, and consider using a clean, professional font such as Times New Roman, Arial, or Georgia to give it a polished look. Beneath your main title, you may want to add a subtitle or additional information such as your name, date, or a brief description. This can vary depending on what your document is for, but keep it straightforward and neat. Finally, let's separate your cover page from the content of your document. You'll want your following pages to open on their own. To do this, insert a page break. Simply go to Insert, then Break, and choose Page Break. This ensures that your document or essay starts fresh on the next page, making your document look well organized. And there you have it, your very own Google Docs cover page ready to impress.